Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you exactly how to save your ChatGPT conversations as a PDF. This is the absolute best way to keep a permanent, searchable record of your AI chats for work or school. So let's get right into it. First, you need to open the specific conversation you want to save. Navigate to your history sidebar and click on the chat. Once it loads, simply right-click anywhere on the page with your mouse. Look for the print option in the menu that pops up and click it. Do not worry, we are not actually going to use any paper or ink for this. Next, you need to adjust your printer settings in the browser window. A new print preview will appear on your screen. Look for the section labeled Destination or Printer. Click the drop-down menu, and instead of selecting a physical printer, choose the option that says Save as PDF. This tells your computer to print the digital text directly into a document file instead of sending it to a machine. Then you can tweak the layout to make it look professional. If your conversation is very long, you might want to click on More Settings and ensure the headers and footers box is unchecked so you don't get the website URL at the top of every page. You can also change the layout from portrait to landscape if you have a lot of wide code blocks that you want to keep on a single line. Finally, just hit the Save button at the bottom of the window. A file explorer will pop up asking you where you want to keep the document. Give it a clear name like Project Strategy AI Chat and hit Save again. You now have a perfectly formatted PDF that you can email to colleagues, upload to a cloud drive, or even print out later if you really need a physical copy. And that is it. Your AI wisdom is officially backed up and ready to share. If this quick export guide helped you organize your files today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech and education tutorials. See you in the next one.